Good morning, students. Hope you all are good. As you know, till now we have read chapter third, Holi in the Jungle, and today we have to do its back exercise. So let us start. Complete these sentences with words from the box. So you have a help box in which there are words written: jungle, leaves, singing, help, and tree. So at number one, there is Foxy. The fox was singing. So the fox was singing. Yes. Number two is Foxy asked Bhima for help. So she was carrying a bag that was heavy. That's why she asked him to help. Number three is Foxy and Bhima stopped under a tree. Okay, on the way, stopped under a tree. Okay, now they came to the middle of the jungle. Now they played Holi with flowers and leaves. Okay, so now let's move to part B. Take the names of the animals who played Holi with the Foxy and Bhima. So here, whosoever animals were there in the book, and their names were also written, that you have to trick. It may happen like a picture of some animals is given, but everybody did not play Holi. Some of the animals were only watching animals playing Holi. Like here we can see the example of squirrels in the picture, and there was a squirrel also, but that squirrel was not playing Holi, and that was just watching. Okay, so you have to take only those animals which were playing the Holi. Okay, now like rabbits, bear, elephants, deer, monkey, all these were playing Holi. Now let's move ahead. Number C. Uh, who put these things into the box? Write Bhima or Foxy on the blanks. So who put mud? Foxy. And shoe polish? Foxy had put that. Leaves? Bhima had put. Okay, in the same way you have to do next one. So let's move ahead. Next page is D part. D part, read the words on the wall. Paint, faint, saint. So here from the sound you can judge these are rhyming words. In the same way, others are there: peel, feel, heel, sound, round, found. So circle the odd words in each set. Here also you have to um, uh, circle which does not sound same. Like in the first cloud you can see paint, faint, saint, and the last word is went, so it does not sound same. That's why we have to circle this, that this is odd. Okay, so in the same way you have to do rest of two also. Now number E, write double letters on the blanks to name these animals. So here as you can see in the pictures, wherever blanks are there, at that every place double letters are there, so you have to fill it up in the same way: squirrel, rabbit, giraffe, hippo. Okay, so let's move to the next page. This is look at the picture and read the sentences. So you students have to read these sentences so that they can understand it well. Part F you have to cut because it has not been done in grammar portion till now. So next part is look at the picture and read the sentences. This is a butterfly. In the picture you can see this is a picture. This is a butterfly. The butterfly is near to the boy, but flower is far away, so that's why the boy is saying that that is a flower. Okay, now question G, write this or that on the blank. Here you can see the picture. The girl is indicating dash is a car. So in hand she has a in her hand she has a car. Okay, So here will come, this is a car, and bicycle is little far away from her, so so here will come, that is a bicycle. In the same way, rest of the words you have to do. Now see the next page. Look at the picture and read sentences. So you have to read these sentences. Now number H, write these or those on the blanks. Here in the picture you can see the boy is indicating bats, and those are, and that bats are near to him. That's why here these will come, these are bats, because for the things which are near to us and more than one number, uh, the we more than one in numbers, we put these for those, and if the things are far away, then we put those, like those are teddy bears. Okay, in the same way you have to do rest of the exercise. Now part L is cut, J I J K I J is cut, and in the part K, okay, in the part K, that this also you have to do yourself, like the monkey climbs the tree. The monkey climbs the tree. My school bus is late today. I have done it for you. So you have to do this. Now L part is also cut over here. Now look at the part M. How can we keep animals safe during festivals? So put a tick or a cross in each box. So let us start the sentences. Keep pets safely indoors. Should we keep pets safely? Yes, we should keep them safely. Number 2 is play loud music. No, we should not play loud music because animals get afraid of it. Okay. Throw water balloons at animals. No. Throw away waste carefully. Yes, we should throw waste very carefully. Okay. Arrange lights on tree where there are nests. No, because animals have their own living habits, so we should not disturb their life, we should not interrupt their life, and lights can also hurt them also. Okay, so we should not do so. So that's all for now. Have a nice day. Thank you. God bless.